friends, I don't know where in a video that this will be, excuse the mess, but I didn't plan on filming this. But I thought maybe I should. I want to show you what I'm doing here. I have this Department 56 Village piece. I bought it to resell. Now, when I got it out of the box, I noticed the snow was cracking on the top. You see that? And I'm showing you this in case you have one of these and maybe the snow is cracking on yours. Here it is on the side, really good. What I decided to do is I'm going to go ahead and keep this piece, but I'm fixing it. And I am taking some Dollar Tree caulk and I am just going over the snow, and then I'm going to add some snow to it to give it a little bit of sparkle. So this is what it looks like so far. Like I said, I hadn't planned on filming this, but this is what I got going on so far. Right? And I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. In case you're interested and maybe you have a piece that is falling apart and you want to fix it, this might help you. So let's go ahead and get you turned around and I'll see if I can get you set up to where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think that's a pretty good angle. So I'm going to work on this, and it looks like this piece down here by the boat also needs a little love. There you go. I think you're a little blurry at first, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this. So I'm just taking my caulk and I'm just make sure that if you have any loose pieces, make sure that you get those off first. See, it's all cracking. See that? That came right off. You don't want the loose pieces because they'll just get in your way. Okay, so what I'm just doing is I'm just kind of going around it. This is just an idea I had. And I'm sure somebody would have still bought it, but I really like this piece. And they probably would have tried to lowball me. And then what I do is I'm just taking an old paintbrush. Excuse me. I'm just kind of, yep, see, I'm getting a couple pieces that are falling off. I'm just tapping them back on there. If I can. There we go. Once it dries, it'll harden up. And then those pieces that were loose, if they're coming off, just take them off. Because it's just going to mess up your project. This is just an idea I had, and I thought I would give it a shot, and it seemed to be working. And I'm just kind of spreading the caulk everywhere on here. You don't need any paint skills, trust me. I don't have any. And it just gives it a snow effect. I'm just kind of filling it in. And then when it completely dries, it'll be hard because it's caulk. Like that. Pretty cool, huh? So let's go ahead and we'll do the boat here. Let's go ahead and do the boat. What I'm going to do is just take whatever's left on this brush and kind of glue those pieces back down and see if that helps. All right. So I'm going to add a little bit of caulk to that. That one's not too bad. See, I'm not adding a ton, because I'm just spreading it around. And I'm trying to stay where it's already painted white. But this is a vintage piece, and they just tend to fall apart over the years. They start cracking. Depends on how they're stored. But for the most part, when I get villages at garage sales and estate sales and stuff, they're usually in pretty good condition. But some of the villages that I have gotten over the years from just being a seller, and maybe they just didn't work out. Maybe they had some little issue, or I just liked it and decided to keep it for myself, because I find plenty. They are my best seller this time of year. So that's how that's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. This is messy, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm just going to throw some sparkled snow over it. This is like what you can get at Dollar Tree. Can you guys see that? Or any craft store. And once it dries, the snow will stay on. Now, I do have a little tip for you in case you don't know. If you have glitter or snow or anything like that on any of your Christmas items, which I'm sure you do, because everything comes with glitter these days, spray it. If it has a fallout, just spray it with a little bit of hairspray, and that'll help stick it back on there. This piece here I'm working on, it's got a little bit of cracking. You guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and just take my leftover caulk on it and just, that way it glues that down. And then I'm gonna add some more to give it some fluff. But the glitter, the hairspray trick works perfectly. And I will probably spray this with hairspray just to make sure that it doesn't come off, because I don't want glitter bombed everywhere. And just a little bit. It gives it much more dimension than just repainting it. Easy, fun fix. Like that. And I'll add some snow to that. Add some snow over there too. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fix the rest of these. I have one here. That one's got a lot of cracking going on right here. So I'll take whatever's left on here. Alright, so I got, did those already, so some snow on those. This is what it looks like. Isn't it cute? It's a hunting lodge. But that's how I decided to fix this. So I hope that was helpful in case you do have something like this, or you can just use that trick for any little project. But I thought it would work perfectly for this, so I'm just gonna let this dry and it'll harden and it'll be perfect. All right, I hope this helped. Give me a thumbs up if it did.